It's a 2017 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. AM/FM satellite radio. Wireless phone connectivity. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Power sliding and tilting sunroof. And refrigerated box located in the console. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Take it for a test drive today.